all snow. Snow time. See, we get a new one for the channel too, and we can't even work on it. We can't work on it because of the snow. Snow everywhere. Yeah man, we have so much snow and I don't got a garage. I can't work on none of these things. Can't work on nothing. Beautiful day though. See, all beautiful day, man. In the snow. What we're gonna do? We have to wait till spring before we can fix this. This is one of the new ones I got. Oh, we're coming on the channel too. All right. So you guys just keep in touch. Keep watching. I'll be having videos coming out soon.